How to add business location on Snapchat map. So if you want to add business location or suggest a place on Snapchat, then what you need to do? First, you need to open up your Snapchat. Once you open, you need to just go with the profile, which is on the top left, and tap on settings, which is on the top right. Now under settings, you need to scroll down and you need to find an option of location. Tap on see my location, and here make sure that your ghost mode is turned on, and tap on suggest a place, which is on the bottom of your support. Now from here you can add your business location or you can suggest a place. So enter the name of the place and then go with the address, locate the address, add your category, add attributes, and then tap to add hours. You need to enter the website of that place, the phone number, photos, and then submit. Once you've submitted, then you will be done adding your business location on your Snapchat. So that's how you can add, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.